UVM Medical Center is a level 1 trauma center located in Burlington, Vermont. And it's one of the largest medical centers in the state of Vermont. In our department, we have 215 employees. 6 of those employees are the employees that take care of our waste, from our medical waste, recycling, compost, trash. This award wouldn't be possible without the team that does that work every day. We've had a partnership with Casella for at least 30 years. Their technology and their willingness to be open to new and exciting ideas, it really engages us to want to be better. And it gives us that platform to do that.
We pick up from all the kitchens. They do all of our composting throughout the whole facility. We also pick up from the emergency department, which is a lot of waste because that's where majority of our patients come through. They pick up from the operating room, which is a lot of our waste stream as well. And a lot of things get disposed of incorrectly sometimes, so that's a big pinpoint, and one of our major waste contributors is from the OR, so getting a good hands on that is always important.
I'm proud of doing this job because I think UVM, the medical center, plays a big role in the recycling and the trash, what needs to be taken care of, and we're here to do that for them by making things a little bit easier.
I like the idea of training people and showing them how they should be doing things. Saving space in the landfills and all the recycling being able to be used in other products instead of just going to the dump for the overall environment.
It's very busy. I mean, it's a fast-paced environment here, almost like an 8-hour marathon here, going back and forth all day long. And we try to keep it all in motion.
They're the hands-on, they're picking up every bag, putting it in their gondola, sorting it into the right compactor. So I think it's really important that when they see stuff that's being disposed of incorrectly, they bring it to my attention so that we can help educate each and every department on where things should go.
For UVM, we offer them compost services, and that includes a compost compactor, which has been really innovative for them and the process in which they have internally to get all the compost that they possibly can capture into the compactor to turn it into compost, that which they turn around and purchase. We also do recycling for all things zero sort, and we have some really creative, innovative concepts as far as recycling their blue and their pink wrap.
Our sustainability efforts have really expanded and grown through time. It's always been something that's been a focus, and I think it's true that it's a Vermont focus to take care of the earth around us. We rely on the education with Casella, of helping educate our visitors and our patients, our staff members, no matter where they're coming from. Our waste team there are unsung heroes of the hospital, in my opinion, because they're out picking up all of the waste throughout the facility, whether it's trash, recycling, regulated medical waste, pharmaceutical waste, donations. They're collecting everything that's out there so we can serve our patients and have a safe and clean environment for our patients every single day.
Casella and UVM Medical Center working together for only one goal, to do a good job. I feel happy to work in here. I feel happy to have a very good co-worker. I have happy to meet many people for Casella too. They are very nice workers, very good friends. They have very good people, I can say to you in general.
Here every day, they really care, and that's one of the main reasons I absolutely adore working with them. When it was time for the nominations, it was super straight front of the mind of absolutely UVM. I do want to nominate them for a lot of reasons, probably too many to list, but I think the main one is they are trying to find every avenue that they possibly can to put products in some other bin than the trash bin. It's a very unique relationship because it's very open, and we talk about a lot of things. We bounce things off of each other. What do you think about this? Have you thought about that? And it's a collaborative of their whole team coming to me and saying, can you? The team here, especially the management team, they're all about positive reinforcement. They don't just say, do this. They say, this is what we want to do, and this is why. And they also lead by example. It's definitely truly a relationship and a partnership, and the doors are always open both ways.
The partnership is built on trust and respect and friendship. We're part of their family.
We growing together.
We are excited and honored to receive Casella's 2025 Sustainability Award. Our goal at the Medical Center is to send as little waste to the landfill as possible. We work closely with our partners at Casella to divert as much waste as we can. I would like to thank our nutrition service team for their amazing work achieving 0% contamination in our compost. This achievement allowed us to bypass unnecessary hauls, reducing our carbon footprint by over 50%. I'd also like to thank our waste team members for all of their hard work, as none of this would be possible without their dedication. Thank you.
It was absolutely amazing to get the news. I was thrilled and felt very honored to be part of it.
I think a medical center in general is just a really difficult place to make sustainable because you're up against certain constraints that you have no control over, like patient health and safety. That needs to be a priority. Cost needs to be a priority. The doctors and nurses' comfort with the tools that you're giving them has to be a priority. And so that fact that they've been able to make such strides in the sustainability realm while keeping all those other considerations is really admirable.
This is one of the successes that we're going to highlight and share and celebrate with our team.
It feels really rewarding to be recognized for all of the efforts that we put in.
Their commitment, their loyalty, their stewardship to the environment, all of these things make me want to be even better for them and know that nobody deserves it more.